You're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because the system was designed to keep you that way. And I can prove it. Right now, companies are posting record profits. Productivity is at an all-time high. CEOs are taking home more than ever before. But your paycheck barely moved. That's not coincidence. That's architecture. They told you the deal. Work hard, be loyal, climb the ladder. Here's the problem. The ladder was quietly removed. In the 1970s, productivity and wages moved together. You worked more, you earned more. Simple. Then something changed. Productivity kept climbing. Wages flatlined. That gap between what you produce and what you're paid, that's not an accident. That's where your raise went. You think you're moving forward. You're running in place on a treadmill someone else controls. Your income isn't random, it's engineered, calculated to keep you just comfortable enough to stay, just stretched enough to never get ahead. You can pay the bills. You can save a little. But one missed paycheck, one medical bill, one bad month, and everything unravels. That's the zone they want you in. Safe enough to keep showing up, scared enough to never leave. They don't need chains. Rent is enough. Let's run the numbers. Take the median income. Subtract taxes. Subtract rent, food, utilities, transportation. What's left? Almost nothing. And yet, the gurus show up. Skip the coffee. Stop eating out. Budget harder. No, your income was designed to be tight. The math was never meant to work out. Blaming yourself for a system problem is exactly what they want. Here's what actually happens every year. You get better at your job, you produce more value, the company profits more, and your pay up a little. Maybe. Where does the rest go? Stock buybacks, executive bonuses, shareholder dividends, worker productivity up 60% since 1979. CEO pay up over 1,000%. They call it market efficiency. You're living it as quiet exhaustion. Wealthy people don't get rich from salaries. They get rich from ownership. You earn $1, taxes come out first. They earn $1 through assets. Taxes come only if and when they choose to sell. Same country, same laws, completely different rule book. You've been playing a game designed for you to lose, not because you're not smart enough, because you were never told there was a different game. Your parents had pensions, company takes care of you, guaranteed. Then came the 401k. They marketed it as freedom and choice. What they didn't say, the market crashes, your problem. You outlive your savings, your problem. Bad fund choices, your problem. They saved billions in obligations. You inherited all the risk, and they called it empowerment. You can't save your way out of a system built to drain you. Cutting expenses has a floor, but building ownership has no ceiling. Here's the actual play. Own assets that grow while you sleep. Build income streams that don't depend on one employer. Learn how the tax code actually works. It was written for owners, not employees. Your salary is not the path to wealth. For most people, it's the cage. The system isn't broken. It is working exactly as designed. But once you see the illusion, once you understand the rules of the real game, you stop playing defense and you start building something they can't take back.